Hi children, today we prepare revaluation account. This question is for 12 marks. Read the question properly. Here balance sheet is given. There are two partners, Sikh and Singh. Sikh and Singh, they are the old partner. Their balance sheet as on. The adjustment is there. In the adjustment, Sardar is coming. So new partner name is Sardar. Sikh and Singh are the old partners. So read the adjustments properly. Half of the goodwill amount to be withdrawn. Sikh and Singh. Value of stock and motor vehicle has to be reduced 10%. Okay, so building machinery has to be increased. When there is a increase is there, we have to take on the credit side. Reduce means debit side. So investment has been shown in the book or included. This adjustment that you have to prepare revaluation account, bank account, balance sheet, partner capital account. You have to prepare all this thing. So this is the questions. Okay, now we'll prepare the revaluation account. Now come to the revaluation account. So I said you, when there is a increase, take this side, that is credit side. So by building, what is the amount of increase? See the question. Building and machinery has to be increased 10%. So what is the building amount? Machinery in building 32,000, 25,000. In that 10% you have to take increase. So 32,000, 10% is 3,200. 10% of 25,000 is 2,500. So take on this side by building, by machinery 25%. In that 10% you have to take 32%. 32,000, 10% you have to take. So 3,200, 2,500. So building and machinery. Building and machinery has been increased. Increase means credit side. If it is decrease means take on the debit side. Debit side. Okay. So by building 3,200, by machinery 2,500. By investment. What is the amount of investment? See, the 500 of investment not shown in the book are to be included. So there is a profit of investment 500 rupees. Is it okay? 3,200. Next 2,500, 500. Now come, what is the thing which is reduced to stock? So what is telling? The value of stock and motor vehicle reduced 10%. Both you have to take, stock and vehicle. Stock and vehicle, that is reduce the value of 10%. See the stock and the motor vehicle. So in 13,000 take 10%, 30,000 take 10%. To stock 10% of 30,000, 3,000. To motor vehicle 13,000 of 10%, 1,300. Is it okay? 1,300. Now just add both the side. You add first this side. 3,200 plus 2,500 plus 500. So 6,200. So this one minus 3,000. So 1,900. 1,900. What you have to do? You have to distribute to the old partner. What is the old partner name? As I said you, the Sikh and Singh are the old partners. Sikh, Singh. 1,900, 1,900. See in question, it's telling clearly the both the partners sharing the profit and losses equally. Okay. So distribute this equally. $950, $950. Total you take here 1,900. Okay. This is the revaluation account. This is the revaluation account. In question, next question is asking you to prepare partner capital account. Now come, old partner capital account, we say Sikh and Singh. As I told you, the old partners are Sikh and Singh. New partner is Sardar. So particulars, first particular Sikh and Singh. Particulars Sikh and Singh. Is it okay? First take the balance. By balance brought down. What is the amount they are bringing? Sikh 70,000. What is the amount is bringing Singh? 50,000. Take 70,000, 50,000. Next, by revaluation account. See, this amount we distributed, no? Take both the side. 950, 950. Now come to the reserve fund. There is a reserve fund 6,000. So they are sharing the profit and losses equally, means 3,000, 3,000. By reserve fund, by goodwill account. So what is the amount of goodwill? See, in adjustment, half of the goodwill amount is withdrawn by Sikh and Singh. Sardar is bringing 8,000 rupees goodwill. So distribute this both the partner, you will get 4,000, 4,000. Okay, 4,000, 4,000. 2. Bank account, 2,000, 2,000. Now add this one. You will get 57,950 of Singh. Same way calculate Sikh also. You will get 77,950. So take the same amount. This amount minus 2,000. 77 minus 2, 75,950. This 57 will get 55,950. You have to deduct this 2,000. Deduct this 2,000. This is called to balance carried down. This is called to balance carried down. Is it okay? Now come. Next he is asking you to prepare new partner. New partner name is Sardar capital account. Come to first adjustment. Sardar is bringing the following assets. That is the cash of so much, machinery, stock, furniture. Okay. First, by bank account. By bank account. This is the cash is bringing. How much? 30,000 is bringing. In question it's clearly mentioned what is Sardar is bringing. Okay. By machinery, 14,000. By stock, 8,000. By furniture, 10,000. Now add. You will get 62,000. Please write here 62,000, 62,000. This is called to balance carried on 62,000. This is the Sardar capital account and this is the Sikh and Singh capital account. So this is the old partner, this is a new partner. Is it okay? Now you have to prepare bank account. Now come to bank account. First, particular rupees, particular rupees. Okay. Now come to the first question. See, cash at bank is 12,000. So take this one. To balance brought down 12,000. To what is the amount of Sardar bringing? Sardar bringing cash. Sardar is bringing cash. See here. Sardar is bringing how much cash? 30,000 he is bringing. So take the Sardar to Sardar account. You write Sardar capital account 30,000. To goodwill, he is bringing goodwill also 8,000, which we have already distributed to the two partners 4,000, 4,000. Okay. So to goodwill, to Sardar capital account, to balance brought on this 3 should come here debit side. Okay. Now come to credit side. By Sikh capital account. Have you remember that We have taken the 2000 rupees, it is an old partner. So just take this one, 2000 by Sing capital 2000. Use your calci. Total 50,000. Minus this 4,000, 2,000, 2,000. If you minus this 4,000 from 50,000, you will get 46,000. This is by balance carried down, 46,000. Okay. Now you have to prepare balance sheet, last but not least. So in revaluation account, we have prepared revaluation account, old partner account, new partner account, bank account, and finally we have to prepare balance sheet. So this question is 12 marks. I know this is little tough, but this is 12 marks question, children. So please concentrate more. You will get. Don't worry. Now liabilities. Rupees, assets, rupees. Liabilities, rupees, assets, rupees. Now come to the questions. Come to the credit side. Come to debit side first. Creditors. So see the question. Creditor amount is given. How much it is given? 35,000. So creditors 35,000. There is a loan also in question. 10,000. Capital. Take down the capital of three partners as I said you. This 75,950, 55,950 and this 62,000. So first is, what is the name of first partner? Singh Sardar. Take inner column 75,950, 55,950, 62,000. Add. Total 1,93,900. 1,93,900. So this is the item you have to take on the debit side. That is the liability side. Debit side you have to take creditors, loan, capital of these three partners. Now come to the asset side. To start with cash in hand, cash at bank. So today cash at bank is there. Cash at bank. How much you have to take cash at bank? Come to the bank account. We have already did all the entries. So take this 46,000. Next, motor vehicle. So there is a decrease in the value of motor vehicle in stock. We did in revaluation account. Have you remember? So what is the amount of motor vehicle? 13,000 minus 10% reduce the value. That is 1,300. If you get minus, you will get 11,700. In same way, stock is there. Okay. Stock. $38,000 minus depreciation 3,000. So total 35,000. Okay. Total 35,000. Debtors. Take direct outer column 20,000. Furniture 34,000. Machinery 39,000. Adding the appreciation. Please add the appreciation here. building, $32,000. Investment, 500. Now both the side we have to do the calculation. Okay.